Hi guys, it's Justine here again, and I had so much fun making the last video for you that I decided that I would start to sprinkle some of these in. Today's healing is in our theme for the month, which is all about myth busting and kind of getting to the roots of maybe where in the past you've maybe clung to an idea or something that helped you for a season, but maybe it isn't serving you now. Maybe there's something blocking you from getting to your health and wellness goals, but you don't really see that you're part of the problem. Not meaning that you're hurting yourself on purpose, just meaning that maybe you don't see exactly where there's maybe room to shake it up. Make maybe a new routine. Maybe your body is calling for a different type of workout or a different type of rest than it's currently receiving. So today is going to be all about kind of awakening your higher self to help you know what you need more. To help us, I have this card which is going to show you how to hold your hands if you want to do a mudra posture while we're doing this healing. So you can make your hands in the same position. So your index fingers are going to point up and your thumbs are going to point down, and you're going to interlace the rest of your fingers. You can hold this up against your chest or kind of like right below your rib cage, sort of at that solar plexus level pointed to the heart. This symbol also is activating that integrating through the heart, knowing what you need, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started, find a comfy position. We're gonna be here for about 3 or 4 minutes, all right? So thanks so much for joining us. All you need to receive this healing is consent. It's totally normal to close your eyes and go inwards at this time. Feel your confidence start to reemerge, knowing what you know to be true. What do you actually need right now to be a healthier version of you? How can you let go of some of the fears that hold you back from being healthier, stronger, fitter, the version of you that you see when you think about you, but maybe you're not seeing when you look in the mirror right now? How can we let go of some of that fear so that our confidence and our inner truth and knowing and that healthiest version can come through? That shiny, glowing, vibrant version of yourself that exists. It's in there. I'm starting to see a little more of it now. Brought a little tool with me. Black tourmaline removes negativity. Removing all the things that tell you you can't. Because you can. This baby is called Numite. Isn't it gorgeous? It's all about self-mastery. We're going to send you a little of that energy now. You've got this. You know what you need. You're ready to be that vibrant you, that healthier you. Great job. I'm going to seal us in. Great job receiving your healing today. And if you feel like that this was something that you enjoyed, that you could feel a shift in, feel free to send it to your friend who maybe has been going through a hard time and has some health goals that they're having a hard time reaching. Please comment, share, like, let us know if you're liking these videos and if there's certain topics that you want to see more of. All right, we're here for you. Have a great day.